Back again with another garage paint job. The last video got a little bit of criticism because it wasn't in a garage. I painted it in my booth at work. So this one is simply advertising a little cheap gun I got off of Amazon. I think it was $69. I will be giving this away here soon on the channel. I'm gonna get a brand new one and send it to a viewer. The details on that will be coming up in another video. I'll show you what I'm working with. So it doesn't get much more DIY. We've got the Harbor Freight 25-gallon tank. I literally have a little makeshift booth to show you that it doesn't matter where you're painting. I mean, you can still get a good job. Like I said, we're using this gun, disposable moisture filter, and just a Harbor Freight regulator. Just a super budget setup. Plastic and fan for a little circulation. And we're gonna get this thing done. I already got it sealed. I'm gonna put some base on it and then get some clear. So here is the finished product. Again, not in a booth, it's in a garage. Dirty garage of that. Cheap gun. No, it's not show quality, but it is shiny, it matches, and it was cheap. I did this for a buddy that tore off his front bumper, wanted an aftermarket bumper. I think we're maybe $200 in this.